There comes a time when older cores that have been built one or two times previously can no longer withstand the critical tolerances and the pressures of supporting a power steering system. Hi, I'm Dan Billy. In this video segment, we're going to touch base on a significant industry issue, power steering warranty, and it's ruining the aftermarket's reputation. There are several reasons for this issue, and I'm here to tell you that the quality of remanufactured power steering parts most likely won't improve in the near term. As hydraulic power steering transitions to electric steering, fewer hydraulic cores will be available for remanufacturers to rebuild. And when that occurs, reman is left with limited solutions to this core supply shortfall. They either have to buy a new product and put it in a reman box, which isn't financially feasible long term, or they attempt to remanufacture cores they otherwise might not have previously rebuilt, and that's not good. Cores have a life cycle. Let me repeat that. An individual core has a life cycle. There comes a time when older cores that have been built one or two times previously can no longer withstand the critical tolerances and the pressures of supporting a power steering system. When there's a limited supply of good cores, the potential for use of compromised cores increases. Which leads me to the next big reason why there's a power steering warranty issue. Order fill mandates by distributors. The requirement to produce minimum order fill is also creating increased complexity for remanufacturers. If you walk through your power steering inventory and opened each box, would each part pass your visual inspection as a quality piece, one that you're proud to sell to your customer? I suspect not. So why should the shop owner or the technician accept power steering parts that look so compromised? In many cases, reman parts that are returned without ever being installed are returned due primarily to their appearance. They don't pass the eye test. This only provides more motivation for the shop to pick up the phone and call the OE dealer. As I've stated previously, we are pushing good technicians away due to poor quality. Add to that, many power steering repairs take up to 6 hours. That's why Plews and Edelmann is your best choice for your power steering needs. We've not only analyzed warranty by SKU and developed key differentiators to help you keep your customers happy, and the product in the car, I might add. We've also analyzed the complexity of the repair and the potential cost of the repair. In many cases, the part costs less than half of the cost of the total repair. Does any technician really want to risk spending another 5 hours having to reinstall a part that didn't work? The simple answer is no. So why is Plews and Edelmann different? In a sentence, we supply confidence. From the moment you open the box, you know you are getting the absolute best product available in the aftermarket. In the past, we've talked about the many key differentiators, like our pumps with increased component offerings to eliminate a poor install, or racks with internal venting that eliminates the returns and the failures, or racks with increased bellows and tapered boots that allow for a long life of steering twists and turns in any weather. Our gears, they're second to none. They utilize the latest upgraded version of the OE design after iterations of improvement by OE due to past failures. Reman can't do this. Reman has to use the old core, and oftentimes that old core is an older iteration, a lesser part. Our DNA stands for Designated Numeric Asset, is a unique fingerprint-like code that designates each individual part we sell. Our packaging, again, second to none. It eliminates the possibility of damage in transit, and many of you understand what I mean that have handled rack and pinion units and gears and they failed because of poor packaging. Our analytics, no one provides more detailed data on warranty, installation complexity, and installation time. It's the big differentiator that separates Plews and Edelmann from anyone else. We're looking at things differently. and it's about time we take back the perception of poor power steering quality from the OE dealer. Give us a call to learn more about what makes our product and service different. Thanks for watching.